This will be a quick video on how to replace your kill switch slash your starter on a 1999 Polaris Trailblazer. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the grips. They're probably going to be a little bit sticky, so I'm going to go ahead and use two hands to get that. Sometimes you can put a screwdriver under there and pop it off, but let me go and get that off for you real fast. So this one is on there pretty tough. So like I said, you're pulling and twisting the whole way off. You have to put some muscle into it to get it off there. When you put it back on, you can put some oil or something like that to help it slide on. The next thing you're going to do is there's two clips underneath here. One of these is already broken off on this one, so it just pops out. This one, you take and you push this little clip, sorry, unfocused, right there, and that pulls out. And then this one, there's supposed to be another one on the other side, but it's broken off. And so you take and you can just pull these right out. Like I said, this other one had a clip on it, so it pulls out. Then you get this Allen wrench right there, and then you take and you unscrew this, and then it should just slide off. Let me get that done real fast. Right, so you can see I'm twisting this. You take and you put it back on there. This one's getting already pretty loose. Get one more twist, and then it just slides right off like that. Put it aside, get your new one, and then it just slides right back on there. Looks like, I'm gonna do this. There's a screw, you can see it right towards the back. I'm gonna have to do that a little bit so it'll slide on. So I backed that screw out a little bit, actually took a different size Allen wrench, and then it should just slide right on to your handlebar, easy peasy. Maybe I gotta undo it just a little bit more, I guess. Mine have got a little bit of dent right here, so it took a little bit more. Slide it on, position it how you like it. Make sure it lines up with this, and then you're gonna just take and you're going to tighten this one back up. Like I said, make sure it's at the angle that you want it at. This sits right for you. Some people might like a little bit more down or up. I don't really have a preference. Tighten this up all the way. If you want to, you can clean these out. Probably be advisable. Take and get all that dust and grime out of there. And then you're going to take and just put them right back into the spot they went. And that's how you replace the kill switch slash ignition switch on your Polaris Trailblazer. Sorry about that. If you have any questions, let me know.